Okay, for 55 it says to show that the given value of C is a 0 of P of X and to find all of the other zeros. So what we're going to do to show that this value of C is a 0, we're going to use synthetic division, okay, to evaluate, to make sure the remainder is 0. C is 3 here. So in our synthetic division, what we have is in fact a remainder of 0. So that shows that 3 is in fact a 0. From here, this is x cubed. We divided it by a factor of x minus 3, so this becomes x squared plus 2x minus 5. Let's see, to find the remaining zeros, it would be nice if we could factor this, but we can't, so what we have to do is plug into the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula would give us negative 2 plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, and when that is simplified, what we get is 4 plus 20, we get 24 over 2. That can be reduced to 4 times 6, so 2 on the square root of 6 all over 2. So x equals negative 2, now we'll simplify, negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 6. And so those are our remaining zeros. To check this, let's graph it. Let's evaluate this first. Negative 1 plus the square root of 6. And let's get this as a decimal. And negative 1 minus the square root of 6. Okay. And so let's graph. Let's just call this f of x. For the sake of graphing, a little bit of a lag going on here, but be able to graph this soon enough. Let's see if we can zoom in on those zeros. So what we look like we have is a positive 3. Check. Approximately 1.5. Check. Looks close. And then a negative 3.5, which we have there as well. Check. So that's a decent way of checking this particular problem. And that's how you solve question 55.